NCC cadets, the staff of the Sports Directorate here. We are gathered here today to felicitate our NCC cadets who have done exceedingly well in all the NCC events outside Goa. In fact, particularly they have gone to Delhi for Republic Day camp and Republic Day parade and also Thal Sainik camp and brought laurels to the Goa state. And this time the RDC cadets who had gone to Delhi had met our Honorable Defence Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar also. Is it right? You met them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, as you all know, that I am hanging my spurs or the uniform, spurs we call it in the armored. General term is that I am hanging my uniform. That means very soon I am now going to be a civilian, which is a good thing in a way because civilian supremacy is there. So from an army officer to a civilian is a good transition. And before going, because on 10th of June I won't be there in Goa. I'll be going on my annual leave, casual leave and everything. So I wanted that for the one last time before I leave to felicitate these cadets, and this was possible. There are a lot of incentives which he has, like getting in paramilitary forces, getting some kind of vacancies in police forces of the Goa state or some government services. All those there, sportsmen are given marks. Similarly, we wanted our NCC cadets to be given extra marks like sportsmen. That all is going to come. It's a process. It's a thing which the file has to move. The noting has to go right till the Chief Minister. But the most important point here, the fulcrum of the complete system at all directorates is the director. Thereafter, secretaries and all are there. But if director is not convinced, nothing can move. And here, he is totally convinced. I know it. I am leaving. Colonel Sanjay Nagi is there. He is equally motivated, perhaps maybe more than me. And I am certain that in the years to go, NCC will go from strength to strength. I thank you very much, sir.
I think there is one area where there is not much focus or not much attention. I would be very happy. Colonel Nandakishore, of course, is going. He'll be retiring very soon. Come 10th June, and he's leaving this place on vacation before retiring. But I'm sure Colonel Nagi will take forward wherever Colonel Nandakishore has left, and he will continue to do the excellent work and the tempo that he has set in by encouraging the NCC cadets to go into serious sports and try and fetch marks. If there are no marks for the NCC as compared to sports, then the NCC cadets will do well to garner marks from sports side and make up their percentages. It's a golden day for Goa and people working in the field of sports when our students have started securing 100% marks. When services, they want to become doctors, engineers, whatever career they may select, but they must emerge as outstanding, as very good or excellent in the area that they select. Those are the ethos of NCC. NCC makes you very, very bold. The NCC makes you courageous, and the NCC makes you call spade a spade. That's a very important thing. So the ideology or the idealism of the NCC, if you go to study from close, you will realize the values and principles the NCC ought to ingrain in you, and I'm sure the officers, the ANOs, the PI staff, the department will all combine well to groom you into outstanding human beings. please. Thank you, friends. I must admire and place on record the excellent work done by Colonel Nandakishore in shaping his unit in the last 3 years. We had very, very cordial relationship to whatever he came and he proposed. We never said no. And of course, in future also, we will not say no to Captain Nagi or his other colleagues. We understand the importance of NCC. We understand the welfare of the students of the NCC college, and therefore whatever is possible with us and possible with the state government, we shall always do.